A deposition is a civil discovery tool where you get to ask questions of the deponent, the witness, under oath in front of a court reporter. Usually it's attorneys from both sides are present. It's important because a transcript is created of the deposition. And you can find out what the witness will say while they're under oath, and then you can use that in court. So if the witness tries to change their story when you're in trial, you can then use that deposition transcript to challenge what they're saying. It's also a great tool to be able to find out what defenses the other side might be trying to come up with, or if the other side is going to deny responsibility for something like an automobile crash. And then also, our clients usually get deposed by the attorneys for the insurance companies. For a lot of people that can be scary because it's a new experience for them, it can be intimidating. But we try to sit down with our clients and make sure that they're fully prepared for that. And we try to help them understand that instead of it being a scary experience, it can actually be an opportunity for the client to be able to tell their story, to explain to the other side, in their own words, what happened to them, how their injuries have affected their lives, and then, how they have overcome, the struggles of their injuries. So we try to help our clients, prepare for the depositions and see it as something that it's not something that is to be feared, but as an opportunity. Depositions are a very important part of any personal injury case. It is a tool in the attorney's toolbox to be able to fully investigate the claim, because, and a lot of times, if you have a corporate defendant, you can depose a representative of that corporation, and that representative's testimony is binding on that corporation. So it's a great opportunity to be able to understand the inner workings of that corporation, how and why they were negligent. And a lot of times the insurance adjusters will evaluate a case based upon the depositions of the client, of the defendants. So it's really something that is vitally important in a personal injury case, and it can help drive a value of a case. And the depositions themselves, it's important to have an attorney who has experience with taking depositions, knowing what questions to ask, how to ask the right questions, who to depose, and what evidence to show during the deposition. So it's important to have an attorney who has that experience, who knows how to do depositions, to be able to fully investigate your claim. And many of our attorneys here at Emroch Kilduff have experience doing hundreds, if not thousands, of depositions throughout their careers. So it's very important to have an attorney who knows just how important depositions are on your case. Here at Emroch Kilduff, all of our attorneys have had significant experience handling depositions, and we really like to work with our clients through every step of the discovery process and the deposition process. So we go step by step with our clients, we meet with them face to face, explain how the deposition process works, what to expect, the type of questions they might receive, and then just help them be able to tell their story to the other side, and help them see it not as a negative or a thing to be scared about, but as something, as an opportunity to be able to tell their story and how this injury has impacted their life. Another type of deposition that we can do is we can depose a doctor that the insurance company hires. A lot of times the insurance company will hire a doctor to do what's called a record review of a case, and they will usually try to say that the client's injuries aren't as severe, or these injuries were pre-existing, or something like that. And then so a deposition is a great way for us to be able to ask that doctor questions under oath, ask them what they considered, if they considered everything they were supposed to, if they had all of the facts, all of the evidence, all of the medical records when they came up with their opinions. So it's a great way for us to be able to test the veracity and the bases for that doctor's opinions. We can also have our own doctors be deposed by the other side as well. Like our clients' treating physicians can also be deposed, and those are important later on in the trial process, and they can also be very important in terms of evaluating the value of a case.